The flow section is really similar to that of the chatbot flow builder, where you will have different kinds of flows that have certain actions inside. You will have limited options to create flows inside of a mini app because the mini app is based on pulling information or posting information towards a third-party platform. So it's more API based. But let's create a new subflow. You will see that we have a regular mini app flow type. We have a workflow type and a function flow, similar towards that of the chatbot. Let's call this demo for now. Let's press create. Once inside, you will see that if we right click with the mouse, we will have limited steps and functionality. We will have the action, we will have conditions, split, go to, and a comment type to choose from. If we go with action, you'll see that we can do an external request. We can use JavaScript functions to format received data, for example. We can set certain variables or clear them. We can also use JSON operations to manipulate and edit JSON custom fields or values that we receive. We can also use OpenAI. And for this to work, the user that uses the mini app needs to ensure that the workspace is connected towards OpenAI in order for these actions to work. We also have a fire trigger, which correlates with the trigger section here. And that allows you to create certain triggers inside the chatbot that are specific towards this mini app. We also have the get one-time URL, which we will create under this section. And we can also have a set action field, which will allow you to output a custom error message instead of the error messages that you receive from a API request instead. These are the options available inside the action section. As mentioned, you can use regular conditions, a split node, and a go-to node. For example, if you want to go from flow to flow or from node to node, that is also possible. And of course, you can also annotate these specific flows by adding comments directly.